Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to Deals and Discounts. In today's video, we are going to see the top discounted perfumes on Walmart. So the first one, this is the CK1 EDU toilet perfume unisex 6.7 OZ. Guys, the best part is before its price was $96, but now this is available only in $29.99, and you are saving a huge amount of money of $66. So guys, this is the best deal, this is the best perfume because this is the most discounted. And you can see this since yesterday 500 plus units has been sold, and its rating is also good, rating of 2540 rating, so you are saving huge money on this. If we see next, this is the Azaro Chrome EDU toilet for men 3.4 OZ. Before its price was $110, but now this is available only in $37.86. And guys, you are also saving a huge amount on this. You are saving your $72.14 on this. So this is also a good perfume, and you can see 100 plus units has been bought since yesterday because this is the best discount, this is the huge discount on this perfume, so you can consider this also. Next, if we see, this is the Davidoff Cool Water EDU toilet collagen for men 2.5 OZs. Its size before its price was $77, but now this is available only in $19.98, and you are saving huge $57.02 on this. So guys, this is the most discounted product because you are saving a huge amount of $57, and this is also 50 plus bought since yesterday, and its rating is very high, 5404 rating, 4.6 rating, so this rating is also good. Next, if we see this is the Marc Jacobs Desi EDU toilet perfume for women 1.7 OZ. Its price was before $75, now available in $38.50, and means this is the 50% discount because you are saving your $36.50 on this. So this is a 50% off product, and this is the also a best product. This is also 50 plus bought since yesterday. Its rating is also 3119, is a good, so you can consider this perfume also. Then this perfume, Bright Crystal EDU toilet spray perfume for women 3 fluid ounces. So guys, before its price was $128, but now available in $64.98, and you are saving a big money of $63. Guys, this is also a 50% off because you can see available in 64 and you are saving your $63. So this is also, you can consider this. Now this is the Juicy Corti Cortion EDU perfume spray perfume for women 3.4 RZ. Before its price was $44.96, but now its price is $28.22, and you are saving $16.68 on this. Its rating is also good, 346 rating, 4.4, and this perfume is in 25 people's card. So this is also a best deal, you are saving $16 here. So these were some perfume for today, and I would say these are the best deals because you are saving your huge amount of money of these perfumes. So subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kinds of discount. Thank you so much.